Christian Manian ya 2 women. So you to me say mama and dash from.
Yeah, quite anymore. And some from Catholic Bishop here, Wakonongo, Mampo Diocese, Most Reverend Joseph or Sabon Suna. Casabon, some drop for 18 Como, Afasans, and some Noaho. A Bravo Pimo, I was St. Matthew, Catholic Paris. Ya no, I was Santia Fidias, Nanipa, a Dioson, Nane, Bibia, Aquacama, Ediamamo said, you wait me, Aqua, a radiated, and no more opening, so then some crack to drive for LGBTK plus.
And then they didn't say, yeah, Peninsula, not member, and no much as human rights. Now the person beside me said, "No, human rights. Check human rights, and only right I was will be a say a right to life. One or say one this will be a and a right to education, right to health, right to shelter. We only fundamental human rights. Now, be money be medano, and then your fundamental human rights. Yes, I said, don't go for dinner. And you know, and so do happy the baby. The money be mother, the money mother. A bed in young Koda will yes. Any bed you do, and I got a pen. Yes, yes. So, and almost say, well, no more. A member, warrior, and Emma warrior. But you're not going to do that. Now, one and call, now don't put in it. Abraham would have said, Yamakai, Nabamani Bema, a new idea as a can was.
We a Catholic Bishop ya Wakonongo Mampo Diocese Most Reverend Joseph Osebonsu ena yetin nkan afeyan ko Ghana barase betwamu ye jiremu wodom kuma no afem lawyer Abraham Amaliba sahene ewo meremu de madom kuma no na kasai opare no asam wo kan nyina no tietia no kire se ombeye de ombetimi bia se yewura James Jache Kwesi na senof marase betwani no ombebo no hobai.
Today is a baptism of fire for the witness. You notice that today the Attorney General could not help but had to supplant himself to give evidence. And the evidence of the Attorney General, which is not allowed in court, and that of the witness were in sharp contrast. Indeed, you remember yesterday there was this issue of attached documents. Today the same matter came up. The witness in his police statement indicated that he had attached documents. And so counsel for Jache Kwesi requested that the witness produce those documents. However, the Attorney General became uncomfortable and indicated to the court that there were no documents attached at all. So the question now to ask, and I want the media to help me answer the question, between the witness and the Attorney General, who is speaking the truth, is important because this is a discredited witness whose evidence, and you saw that he was evading questions, whose evidence cannot stand the test of time, and yet you want to put an innocent man behind bars based on this discredited evidence. God is watching. Yes, so we have filed for an interpretation. That's an interpretative issue at the Supreme Court on Article 19 of the Constitution, which has to do with fair trial. And you know, all this brouhaha is about whether the accused person would have fair trial. And so we want the Supreme Court to interpret Article 19. What does fair trial mean?
Sahine ewo meremu edema endi samanyokon lawyer Abraham Amaliba na yeten nkan boafo sonkon edema kane mampani John Ejakumukofo Dr. Kwabena wasai adubofo na enura na yene no edin komo na yebusa na papa ne yate ne doso yasum ma ya dwen ene ye nyansa akra no ya ye bebre adan de na ekoso efa ulmai ho no se o de ekoso no de wotwere ho ba bia wontiase nemum de obetimi aka Ghana fo ne wiase nyina se ulmai otiase ya onkwakura
na eya assessment if it's na you move be at ba enya phone calls if no answer nya personal phone calls people are calling him or this was some man you know afena the spirit come from so much who honor said there be a remando of your mortality and my spirit try the first 2 days in na enya ndika china the system sana echo na haji oh you heard them to me but I say obi political obi person score political points that's only argument for say obi political advantage I don't know University no chief of staff National Lawrence and Zambian president honorary doctorate degree the week before and maybe Oboko Babontin you know now onyare no akatebia here in the BBNC normal day people ban ho your best no repair future normal day no the BIA no one over the past few weeks BBNC obitimi yes ade amama de ama National Security Minister sir betimi source no source no me this law enforcement people no between no na credit.
Dr. Kwabena Osei Edubofo ye boafo sonko de ma kane mampani John Ejekumukufo anopai woti yanka Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 90.7 Brong Epoye FM nkoranza ne mpota mo so ekuram Sompa 98.9 sunwane na afenso ahafo ne mpota ho nyina so no ekwanya akone dom no ekurama no pai yenko ahafo goso na eno adwumadi fefe bi ekoso ewo ahafo goso na ekoso ewo akurudi enu be mana na kwame agema wo pambo esi anemu ewo ahafo mantam ne mpota mu wona na ebo yamane e kire se yewura Georgia Boachina na Sompa have mantam no soafo edi mpanifo nim Zoom Lion Ghana Limited ama wapadwumadi kunkunfa bi hontoma ebetimi aboa ma ball ahodo efi ne niema yeyen yefie ye nyuma ahodo ne ye monten so no yebetimi ahwe ne adadamu ne nyamfa so bebre ade afri ho
this beautiful edifice comes with ancillary facilities such as restrooms, a washing bay for the class, a clinic, a conference hall, lecture halls to undertake research related to waste management. It is happy to note that the integrated processing and recycling plant has the potential of creating over 800 direct and indirect employment opportunities within our region. This is very in line with government's agenda to reduce the rate of unemployment in our communities and facilitate enhanced economic activities. It is in this regard that I highly commend Messrs. Johnson Ghana Limited and its partners for their entrepreneurial initiative.
For mantam no soafo Ira Georgia Boachin sami na yenua be mana na kwame agema wo pambo esi anam wa hafo goso ene ne mpotam ne boaboa no a wote ebre afa yenko atoye mantam no mu na ye giremu ewo jomoro na adehye ne nananom panifo atena nkonya ho nyina no kasa etiem efre aban ena ene eja awofo bebre ye wo mpotam ho nyina so esubi ne nyina kire se numba MA primary school ye wo mpotam ho no study school ne bobre ne tebia esitie no emmoa adekire ene adesuanti asem no edika
tra aban bomodin atwa wani behwe yen so ye to aban bi se emre so ne ye beto aba school ha ye to aba ye wo election police stations makoma ko 4 e wo kodue mu wo hwe kurenye kokutwa ye to aba school nti se nsi otonas ye to aba kura aba wo hwe info na o ma baba beto aba ama wo wafra wo president info na o metena na nti ye sene mo MPs na de mo ba mo bitimi be hye bo ankese mo kwa ye hu bi school no na say ya frɛ mu mu mfie MC nso timi eba krom ha bebra be hwe semester mo bi mana be hwe we ye
titi afo na titi scam esi dan bia esi wo no aye Wednesday sesi baby akobi de ahoden no asa ti yasra ban sani mani me na sesi ansuo no to a sani ade na sia ya no nsuo no to a egum etumi wi sa na nkora no eba school a nsuo to a omuntumi ntra school dem omo baba nsuo mu aba bo mo kon so omo baba nsuo sani anka school dan ye papa mpanka nsuo no to a nkora no dawura mu school dan so asai nti nkora no baba nsuo mu akọ agwa nsuo mu aba nkora ba 500 school ni ai Robert Spin ai mienu ai AMB nsesi amoa bi amanti yasram panifo aban eno wona enji wo supo a ombetuma aboa no ba school no animi ya momodi asam beboa
Suku ya ye ka ho asem yi abakwasam kire se afa apem hankron aduoson enan 1974 ana ye tie sa suku na wo hwe dan no ho a obi nka kire sampa 1974 na hadwen omo kire se adesuafo ye wo suku mosisia no kobesa hansia ene ye kire ntomo sra ban se wonhwe na wonje wono mo anopai mekamfo na media ma wo se bomode se obenya 5G no bi eya no ne sonko a ba bia wo bia mantam dunsia ne nyina no wonya bia ahoɔdene nko ani gie nko a eno na da so no de entia ya ye ka yi etutu evi no so ma wonya behwe ene se ene nipa na ho onwi hu mani ene waso utum nipa nye wono aboka aya ade no se ensiesie nipadua na enje nipadua no nsiye wapomde kwa so no na obi nso tekotia ho bi na ono so eye bi ede fra ne science ye ka ne yi ede a kire mo hwe Facebook live no ho no mo hu se ede ato so eno ne friend 5G no nnuaba hodo nko a guarana grapes ne de keka ho ene aka bomu a ye de aye ba ko ye ka ho so eye mizo eno eye mango de awurade a eja wom papa anɔpɛ sɛ wonya bi a emodu nti baabi a wokɔ bia no wokɔ dwom wokɔ kyerɛdeɛ wokɔ adwuma mpo sɛ wokɔ sra wo bi ɛwɔ ayaresabea bɔmmɔden sɛ wobɛnya 5G ɛne mizo no bi na wode akɔma no na waseda deɛ ɛbɛyɛ dodoɔ no a awɔ ntoatoaso bɛda wase firi sɛ ampa wama ne kra ani agye asɛmpa wo hɔ yi yɛ ana ɛnwa pii 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 baabi a wo bia no frɛ na yɛnim kɔma no pɛyi aseda wɔ mu no yɛde ma owura asante yɛboa Benedict kukuwa ɛna yɛ adwuma no kama no pɛyi wɔsan ɛbɛbɔ mekyi na nakwabena kɛse ni yɛda ase amoakye ade akye bia ɛtoa so
afei na mate aseɛ deɛ nti a wode din pa natural health clinic ho adanseɛ